Which of the following countries shares a border with India? Thailand, Vietnam, Nepal, Malaysia. The correct answer is Nepal. What is the holiest city in Islam? Medina, Mecca, Jerusalem, Cairo. The correct answer is Mecca. How many oceans does our planet have? 3, 4, 5, 6. The correct answer is 5. What is the title of the head of government in Canada? President, Chancellor, Prime Minister, Governor General. The correct answer is Prime Minister. Who is the artist behind the surreal painting The Persistence of Memory? Pablo Picasso, Salvador Dali, René Magritte, Andy Warhol. The correct answer is Salvador Dali. Which animal has stripes not just on its fur but also on its skin? Zebra, tiger, hyena, lemur. The correct answer is tiger. The Silk Road was an ancient trade route connecting which two world regions? Europe and South America, Africa and Australia, Asia and Europe, North America and Africa. The correct answer is Asia and Europe. Which food item can stay edible indefinitely when stored properly at room temperature? Rice, chocolate, honey, beans. The correct answer is honey. What color is in the middle ring of the Olympic logo? Red, black, blue, green. The correct answer is black. Which 20th century dictator is associated with the Little Red Book? Adolf Hitler, Joseph Stalin, Mao Zedong, Fidel Castro. The correct answer is Mao Zedong. The silkworm is the larval stage of what type of insect? Butterfly, moth, beetle, wasp. The correct answer is moth. In Norse mythology, who is considered the king of the gods? Loki, Freyja, Odin, Thor. The correct answer is Odin. In meat, what does the term marbling refer to? The sauce on top, layers of fat within the muscle, the seasoning used, the way it's sliced. The correct answer is layers of fat within the muscle. A traditional Capri salad includes tomato, mozzarella, and which other ingredient? Basil, lettuce, cucumber, parsley. The correct answer is basil. Joan of Arc was a warrior saint from which country? Germany, England, France, Spain. The correct answer is France.